Introducing the Rotochopper B66, our biggest, most powerful wood processing machine. The B66 is a portable machine that can be set up and ready to grind at the job site in less than 5 minutes. Tipping the scale at over 65,000 pounds, the B66 is built tough to take on the big jobs and to keep running reliably day in and day out. The B66 travels to the job site on 3 22,000-pound axles. Caterpillar turbo diesels power the unit with ratings up to 750 horsepower to get the job done. An optional cold weather start kit gets the engine block and hydraulic fluids up to an optimal operating temperature in cold climates. These controls and gauges give the operator a heads up on critical operating conditions. Our advanced programmable controller permits the operator to easily monitor and adjust all critical functions of the machine. The controller stores proven factory presets or custom machine parameters that work best for you, allowing for easy recall as you switch from one grinding job to another. A state-of-the-art hydraulic HPTO clutch is used to transfer power from the engine to the heavy-duty belt drive that spins the grinding rotor. The remote control allows the operator to control the grinder and operate the equipment from the cab of his loader. The discharge belt is 48 inches wide and 26 feet long, giving a maximum discharge height of 19 feet. Now, a look at the business end of the B66. The 32-inch power feed roller opens to allow material up to 32 inches in diameter to enter the grinding chamber that features a 42-inch grinding rotor. Our patented uneven length parallel power feed linkage arm design keeps the power feed close to the rotor as it's moving up and down, making it extremely effective at particle size control, power consumption efficiency, and stabilization of the feedstock, resulting in maximum grinding efficiency. The combined weight of the linkage arms and power feed create downforce compression, which also aids in feed stability and product quality. The 66-inch wide steel infeed belt is driven by 2 hydraulic motors. The domed lats of the belt allow it to remain flat as it runs over the infeed bed and to closely follow the curvature of the head pulley. Now, this 700 horsepower B66 versus logs and blockwood. The infeed conveyor feeds the logs and blockwood to the power feed. Its 3/4-inch T1 serrated teeth allow sure grip on a wide variety of feedstock, from stringy material to railroad ties. The power feed is driven by a radial piston motor, providing high torque and eliminating the need for planetary gear drives or chains and sprockets. The power feed forces material into the grinding chamber, where the grinding rotor's 32 steel teeth go to work. The rotor spins at a conservative 1100 RPM, but its large diameter and mass allows it to generate big inertia for smooth grinding. When the load of the material being ground lowers the engine RPM, the control system automatically slows the speed of the infeed system. If a piece of solid material higher than 32 inches is attempted to be fed, the power feed will automatically stop and reverse direction. After it's ground, the material then passes through one of 2 screens surrounding the B66's grinding chamber and is deposited onto the rubber discharge conveyor. Several styles of grinding teeth that can be quickly changed out are offered to match the material you'll be processing. The B66 can pound a 1-ton log into a 4-yard pile of mulch in as little as 60 seconds. Let's bring on the slab wood and see how the B66 performs. And a mention of our patented slab ramp located just ahead of the grinding rotor. Its angle can be hydraulically adjusted for best slab wood feeding. The customized B66 electronic control system takes the guesswork out of equipment settings, making this machine easy to operate. The sophisticated hydraulic system is integrated into the controller that monitors the hydraulic drives of the infeed, power feed, and other components. The operator can quickly adjust the infeed conveyor and power feed to match specific feedstocks through the programmable controller interface. Parameters can be adjusted manually or select from a list of presets designed for specific applications, or save and recall your own custom presets. The controller interface also simplifies maintenance and troubleshooting with real-time monitoring of the hydraulic coils, engine parameters, and other operating functions. When it detects a grinding problem, it automatically adjusts settings, alerts the operator, or shuts the machine down. The controller keeps a running log of operating history to help achieve optimal settings, design a preventative maintenance program, and troubleshoot problems.